What is up, my beautiful people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So 4 days ago, which was my birthday, May 24th, I was born, right? Miss Faouzia gave us a brand new performance. That performance is called Desert Rose. So it's my first time checking out this track. If you guys are new, please subscribe, hit the like button, share this video to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. So let's see what's up. Wow! Wow! That was freaking awesome. That was freaking awesome. Super voice. Boop, boop, boop. Bro. I love it. I love her voice so much. Damn. This is freaking cool. Oh my god, bro. Oh my. To be honest, this is lone. Superb. This is superbly fucking dope. This is dope. This is way superb. What in bro? I knew that she could sing, but to have this type of singing level, it's a mastermind. It's way beyond what I've expected from this female, bro. It's like I've heard it, but it's like the more you listen, the more thirsty you get for her voice. It is just so good. It's like you're relaxing somewhere underneath a tree where the entire day is just so freaking perfect, bro. It's hard to captivate her voice so easily. It's just so good, bro. To be honest, she's freaking awesome. Oh shit! Yo! Boop, 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 boop. Me, what the bro? Bro! Ah! Yo! 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 That was something incredible. Let's take time to process this, please. My mind is exploding right now. This is an explosion. She makes my ears exploded with these beautiful sound, with this awesome voice. Fucking amazing, bro. Her birth control, it is fantastically good. She's a freaking superstar at this point, bro. There's no way. There's no freaking way. She's so calmly with these notes, with this pitch, bro. She's a very excellent singer. To be honest, I'm speechless now. What the? No, that is something fucking amazing. Thumbs up. Thumbs up, Miss Faouzia. You did great. That was good. Thank you so much for sharing what you can do. Guys, subscribe for more. Take the link down below what I should check out next from this female, because I'm happy to give my reaction next and towards another song or performance by her. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.